Hi guys, this is KD from Piggybacks. Welcome to my tutorial on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. In this tutorial, I'll mainly be focused on the chart and its components and how you can use it to make decisions on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I'll basically be showing you where everything is and what everything means on the chart. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Right, so in order for you to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform, you'd have to head over to the exchange icon at the top of the page. And as you can see, there are three options here. You've got basic, advanced, and margin. We will not be going through the margin platform because this is for people that want to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using leverage. So leverage just means that you borrow some funds from the Binance platform, and we are going through how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using your own funds. So I'll be going over the advanced platform. So personally, I use the advanced platform because I feel like it's more user friendly, it's easy to the eye, and I just like the layout and how everything is put in one place and it just looks compact and easy to look at. So if we click on the advanced platform, you will come onto the Binance exchange. When I started getting into cryptocurrencies and buying and selling cryptocurrencies, this page was so daunting. It was overwhelming. There was so much information. I didn't even know where to look at, and I didn't like it. I didn't like the feeling of information overload. However, once you know where everything is, what everything means, why it's there, you will start to understand the reasoning behind having all the information in one place. And the more you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you will begin to appreciate all the information, and you may even result in wanting more information. Just like other traders that trade cryptocurrencies, they'll use more than two screens. For example, they'll have 4 screens that they will have information on to help them buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through everything that's on the screen, describe it in layman terms, and hopefully you'll be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies easily on the Binance platform after you have gone through this tutorial. So right here is a chart. This is the price chart that just shows the price going up and down on the 5-minute chart. This is a 5-minute. So this is where my mouse is right now. This is the timeline. So as you can see, the 5-minute has been selected on here. So if you click the drop down, you will see that there's 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 30 minute. So if we head to the top and swerve to the right, you will see an H. The H stands for the hourly timeline. So if you click the drop down, you see an hour, 2 hours, 4 hours. If you click on the 4 hour, the chart will change. This will show you the 4-hour price action. So as you can see, if you look at the bottom of the chart near the volume, oh yeah, by the way, this is the volume. The bars at the bottom, these are volume. So this is showing the volume going up. Green is up, red is down. These are the volume bars. So the volume in terms of how much people are trading or buying and selling this specific coin. At the top right of the page, you'll notice that it says ONT/USDT. This is the current pair that we're trading on. So in this case, it means that if you wanted to buy ONT, which is ontology, you would be spending Tether USDT to purchase ontology. And if you wanted to sell ONT, which is ontology, so for example, let's say you owned ontology and you wanted to sell ontology, you would sell your ontology in order to gain USDT, which is Tether. Tether is just a cryptocurrency that is paired to the US dollar, so it doesn't fluctuate in price. So it basically stays the same. It goes out by a small percentage, but it basically stays the same. So going back to the chart, as I was explaining, this is now showing the 4-hour timeline on price action. So the chart where my mouse is on right now, this is on the 25th of the 10th 2019 at 5 a.m. and if you see, the next candle shows 9 a.m. on the 25th. That's 4 hours ahead of time. If you move to the next candle, that's another 4 hours. This is now at 1 p.m. on the 25th of the 10th. And if you move another candle to the right, it's now 5 p.m. on the 25th of the 10th 2019. So that's an additional 4 hours. So I think you guys get the gist of this. If you move to the right at the top of the timeline, you will have the daily chart. So if you click on this, this will show you the daily chart. So these candles are now showing each day. This is the 3rd of September at 1 a.m. and you can see the price is going down. This is now the 4th of September, 5th of September, 6th of September, 7th of September. Price started coming back up. 8th of September, 9th of September, 10th of September. So this is now a daily chart that will show you the prices during the day, and this chart will be able to help you when to buy and sell, you know, cryptocurrency. So you don't want to buy at the top and then the price goes down. You prefer to buy at the bottom and then the price goes up. So depending on what type of investor you are, the chart will be useful to you, depending on how you're looking to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And you've also got the weekly chart, which shows you these bars by weeks, or should I say candlesticks by weeks. And you've got the monthly chart, which shows you a monthly timeline. So you can see that on this chart, Ontology has only been on Binance for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 months. 18 months Ontology has been on Binance for. So if you are a long-term investor, this chart is looking good because you can see that the price has been going down month after month for the past 18 months. It's gone up a little bit and gone back down, and it looks like it's just about to go back up. So if you're a long-term investor, it wouldn't be a bad idea to start, you know, buying small bits of this cryptocurrency, if you don't mind holding for months and months and months until the price starts skyrocketing back up again. But like I said, this is just a tutorial video. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is just me showing you how you can use the charts to help you in making decisions on when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Hey guys, many thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to learn more and want a full tutorial on how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, click the link below. It will take you to my website where I've got a free course where you will learn how to use Binance to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. I will go through things such as the order book, the transaction register, and how to use the limit order, market order, and the stop limit order. And I also actually do a live trade showing you guys how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on the Binance platform. If you haven't already liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Thank you guys.